You're looking for the perfect van for day trips, long weekends, or just a quick escape, right? I got it for you. I'm Steve from Thor Motor Coach with the 2024 Tellaro 20L. It's going to have a few different features and options than the other floor plans in the Tellaro lineup, so to make sure you're getting the Tellaro you want, visit thormotorcoach.com, check with your local Thor Motor Coach dealer, but let's head inside this 2024 Tellaro 20L. So when you see the Tellaro from this angle, it's hard to believe all these features are in a van. This has everything you need. Spotlight on the living area. It's perfect for entertaining as there are opposing sofas. Check this out, the TV here is on a swivel. This is a smart TV too, so when you connect to the WineGuard Connect 2.0 4G hotspot and Wi-Fi extender, you're going to create your own 4G hotspot, so now you can stream all your favorites. The TV is also connected to the 1000 watt inverter. Now if it's just the two of you, this table sets up and you're ready for dinner. Then store it away and now you have a few options for sleeping. So the twin beds are set up just as you see it here, or you can slide the cushions over and now it's wall to wall. If you'd like to bring some friends or family along for the ride, there are two seatbelts on the driver's side sofa. The 20L has a fully equipped kitchen for everyone. Real quick look down here. Yep, that is a pull-out pet dish. So working our way up to the solid surface countertops and stainless steel sink, we have a 12-volt fridge, a convection microwave. The single burner electric induction cooktop is portable, so you can use it outside, and we'll show you where you can set it up a little bit later. We have a pop-up outlet back here with 110-volt plugs and USB ports. And did you notice here the front seat is swiveled around? Yep. Both seats do this, so there is seating up here as well when you are set up at camp. If you're sitting here, you're going to love this flip-out tabletop. Go ahead, kick back, have a drink. Now dig through the brochure you grabbed in town to see what you want to do next. And here's something you wouldn't think you would find in a van of this size. Storage. There's plenty of it in here. We have cabinets up here for all the gear. This one has all the outlets built in case you need them. Cable, 110, USB, and HDMI. You will make good use of the cargo nets on the wall to keep you organized. Maybe keep your phone or tablet in there, then pull it out when you are ready to use Rapid Camp Plus. This makes it easy to keep tabs on your camper van. From the main screen here or the mobile app, you can now control lights, climate, check your tank levels, set the auto gen start for the 2800 watt generator, even monitor the 200 watts of solar charging. The wet bath is in the rear of the van, and it's all here, from your toilet, sink, shower, medicine cabinet, even a closet with a number of drawers. Your hot water and heat are provided from the Truma Combi Eco, and that is going to run right off your propane tank. With the doors open here, you can see there's a collapsible ladder. This is for the roof. It stores back here. We're going to set this up for you in a bit. Down here, some outlets that will come in handy. There's a 110, 12-volt plug, switches for the puddle light and water pump. You have a quick connect hose, a nice little storage cubby. There's even storage nets on the door. Adding to the usability and friendliness of Tellaro, this is a very easy-to-drive van. You can most certainly use this as your daily driver. Under the hood, RAM uses a 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 with 276 horsepower and 250 pound-feet of torque. That is paired up with a 9-speed transmission driving the front wheels. There's a tow-haul mode when you have something connected to the 3,500-pound hitch, and you can option in BF Goodrich KO2 tires if you need something a little more rugged. Tellaro has your back in the safety department. All the features are here. Traffic sign recognition, drowsy driver detection, intelligent speed assist, forward collision warning with active braking and pedestrian cyclist emergency braking, rain sensing wipers, and an electronic parking brake. Tellaro keeps the ride entertaining with the Uconnect 5 system. This 10-inch touchscreen is decked out with all the latest features. You can connect two smartphones. There's wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, even Amazon Alexa is built right in. You also have a crystal clear backup camera, so getting into that spot is never a problem. I love this feature right here. It's a phone holder and a wireless charger. The dash also features USB-A and Type-C ports built right in. You have power folding mirrors, proximity keyless entry, and push button start. Couple more buttons to press right here on the steering wheel. The controls on the right are for your cruise control, and over here on the left, these toggle through different menus and features and settings in the dash like your TPMS, trip meters, and your driver assist functions. A couple more buttons on the back of the steering wheel, and these are tied into the radio. Here's something else, a very important something else you'll love about Tellaro: getting set up at camp. Seriously, super easy. The Tellaro is a 30 amp coach when you plug into shore power. When you're off-grid, you can grab power from that 2800 watt generator, or you can option in the reliable power pack. This is a 2,560 watt lithium battery electrical system. You have an underhood alternator and 3,000 watt inverter charger, and you have auto engine start so you'll always stay charged. You can monitor the state of the lithium battery from this easy-to-read gauge right above the door. Outside on the business end, all your plumbing connections are right here. The 20L has 27 gallons of fresh water, 13 gallons on that gray tank, and 13.5 gallons on the black. We promised to show you the ladder all set up. Well, look at that. Now you can climb up and grab that gear you had strapped down to the roof rails. On the back door, there's an optional Thule bike rack. And sliding over to the campsite, this is what it's all about. Whip up a late lunch. There's an exterior propane connection so you can connect a griddle. There's a fold-out table right here for your drinks, or put that portable cooktop from the kitchen right here. Then why not cap off the afternoon by unwinding under the power Thule awning? This is a van you need to experience. All right, so you're ready to take your first trip in your 20L, right? What you need to do now is build your own at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at MHSRV.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world, with over $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership-performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?